Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Loke Yip. The metric number is BB17110201. The course that I take is the Global Supply Chain Management BA33303. The title of this presentation is The Impact of COVID-19 of Global Supply Chains and How to Face this Epidemic. Hi, do you guys know what is the COVID-19? Actually, the COVID-19 is an infectious disease caused by severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus 2. It is first identified in December 2019 in Wuhan, China. The common symptoms of COVID-19 is the fever, cold, fatigue, shortness of breath, and the loss of smell and taste. According to the data from blood-based epidemiology and virology study, provide evidence that COVID-19 is primarily transmitted from symptomatic people to others who are in close contact through respiratory developed by direct contact with infected people or by contact with contaminated object and surface. In the other hand, the COVID-19 has been caused some impact on the global supply chain. The first, the closure of manufacturing factory. This is because of the movement control order imposed by the Malaysian government. The closure of factory enabled the government to control the spread of the COVID-19 virus. Besides that, the close of the factory caused the company face the problem of no production and loss of profits. Some of the factories are chosen to shut down. Besides that, the COVID-19 speed up the digitalization of the procurement process. A significant portion of the global workforce is work from home. Manufacturing capacity has decreased. Many small to mid-sized companies still process order, invoice, and payment manually, which in turn negatively impact the financial health of this organization. The global electronic supply chain has been disrupted and trade restriction weighs heavily on large segments of the industry. However, there are some ways to face the epidemic of COVID-19. First, educate the employee of COVID-19 symptoms and prevention. Care of employee is the first priority. Organizations should educate their staff as well as their key supplier of the symptoms of the virus. Human Resource Department should review health records of staff who have non-immunological issues to help them prepare for alternative work arrangements, as they have the most risk. As this is possible, then communication should be planned and executed. Besides that, the company should reinforce screening protocol, enforce precautionary measures when possible, support by flexible sick leave policy. While symptoms may not ultimately be related to COVID-19, companies need to pay attention at this time. Lost productivity from the absence of several employees due to sick leave can be significantly less expensive than a possible downtime from choosing an office site, entry plant, or distribution center because of sick employee or from disinfecting the site. After that, the company should retain non-essential travel and promote flexible working arrangements. Travel has been linked to a number of cases of transmission of COVID-19. Many companies have already implemented policy to restrict non-essential travel to protect their employees. Where possible, remove and flexible working arrangements should be considered, which will be more applicable for back office staff than production line or distribution center workers. Moreover, the company should align IT systems and support the evolved work equipment. As companies increase remote work policy and flexible workforce arrangement, IT systems and support will need to be aligned. The sudden increase in online activity can have big implications on system stability, network robustness, and data security, especially in the part of the world where telecom and system infrastructure are not as well developed. company will need to act quickly to ensure that they have the system and support staff in the place to ensure smooth operation as the workplace and work evolve. Lastly, the company should focus on the cash flow. Companies should immediately develop a treasury plan for cash management. A focus on collection and reducing each account receivable should be an immediate priority. Extending payable where possible to convert cash will be also important. A survey jointly conducted by Tsinghua University and Peking University estimate that 85% of the small and medium entrepreneur will run out of cash within 3 months and two-thirds will run out of money in 2 months if the crisis do not abate. In the case of Malaysia, the Malaysian government has been introduced the economic stimulus package Prihatin Rakyat Prihatin worth 250 billion. They emphasize the importance of the cash flow management for all of the business during this volatile time. That's all my presentation. Thank you.